Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMarks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Floki Inu gains an eye-popping 69% as the Dogecoin and SHIB rival lands major deal. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao reveals biggest factor hindering crypto growth. Is US politics divisive enough to make crypto a partisan issue? Floki Inu becomes Indian soccer club Kerala Blasters official sleeve sponsor. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, we all know typically when Bitcoin sneezes, the aggregate market catches pneumonia. But Floki has managed to buck the otherwise downward trend. Floki Inu has gained over 69% in 24 hours as the crypto market struggled to recover from a punishing retrace. Oh well, looks like someone is going out of the mob mentality. The move saw the Floki price outpace its fellow meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. With Floki Inu decidedly in the green today, it begs the question, what's driving its rally? Why exactly did Floki explode at 69%? Floki Inu rose 69.17% to reach $0.0002291 on Friday, significant psychological and technical milestone for investors. The primary contributing factor to the surge of Floki appears to be a recent announcement of a tie-up with Kerala Blasters FC, India's largest football club. As part of the strategic partnership, Floki's logo and website will be put on the right sleeves of the players' jerseys during the 2021-22 Hero Indian Super League session. Moreover, the Floki brand will be LED displayed throughout home matches along with other fan-oriented promotional assets. This collaboration is a big deal for the cross-chain Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain token, giving the club garnered a whopping 2 million followers on Instagram, essentially becoming the very first football club in India to attain such a milestone. It is also reportedly the world's fifth most popular football league with more than 130 million fans. The team behind Floki is optimistic that this partnership will push the crypto to the mainstream in India as well as make it known to over 100 million fans of the club across the globe. So moving forward with our next segment, Binance founder Changpeng Zhao wants to give virtually all of his wealth to charitable causes. This is the first time the enigmatic billionaire is making such a declaration and could set off a chain reaction of crypto billionaires following his path. Personally, I like philanthropists. Let's have a deeper look into this. In a recent interview with Associated Press on Wednesday, Binance's top dog Changpeng Zhao has declared that he will be following in the footsteps of billionaires like Bill Gates and Rockefeller in giving away a large portion of his wealth. The 44-year-old CEO stated that he can still afford to support his current lifestyle after making the sizable donation. Personally, I'm financially free. I don't need a lot of money and I can maintain my lifestyle in this way. Zhao said, I do intend to give away most of my wealth like many wealthy entrepreneurs or founders did from Rockefeller until today. I do intend to give away 90, 95 or 99% of my wealth. Zhao's net worth has been pinned at around $2 billion with the bulk of his wealth coming from Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. In the course of the interview, Changpeng Zhao revealed that he is not big on cryptocurrency investments and holds no coins apart from BNB and some bitcoins that he purchased back in 2014. I personally do not own equity in any other project, crypto or not crypto. I do this very deliberately because I don't want any potential conflicts of interest, he said. So I'm very not diversified, which I actually do not recommend to most people. Changpeng also disclosed that he doesn't understand meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba, but acknowledges the power of decentralization that they radiate. He notes that Dogecoin has been around for a long time and expects that more meme coins could spring up in its wake. Wait, did he just troll the meme coins? Yeah, whoa, he's just summoned the entire meme community. Anyways, moving forward with our next segment. So apparently Hillary Clinton's comments on crypto could have the potential to create more partisanship among lawmakers regulating digital assets. Let's have a look. As the perceived legitimacy of blockchain technology increases, politicians in the US have shown a growing interest in turning this non-partisan technology into a topic of political divisiveness. Speaking via video to an audience of the Bloomberg New Economy Forum in Singapore on Friday, former presidential candidate Hillary Clinton said while cryptocurrencies were an interesting technology, they also had the power to undermine the US dollar and destabilize nations, perhaps starting with small ones but going much larger. While no longer the leader of the Democratic Party, Clinton's sentiment on crypto resembles that of top Democrat and Senator Elizabeth Warren, who has often criticized the crypto market during committee hearings. Clinton's comments came while discussing Russian President Vladimir Putin, whom she accused of being behind a disinformation and cyber warfare campaign, seemingly also referring to ransomware attacks and some of the crypto payments associated with them. While the former presidential candidate's intentions are unknown, a prominent Democratic voice like Clinton's further connecting Russia to a seemingly apolitical financial tool like crypto may have the potential to do damage among US lawmakers trying to enact policy on both sides of the aisle. Party politics in the US are at times comically divisive. For example, many Republican voters destroyed their own property, Nike shoes, and Keurig brewing machines, to name a few, after lawmakers spoke out against former NFL quarterback Colin Kaepernick taking a knee during the US national anthem. The entire discussion surrounding masks and vaccines in the US is often framed not as a scientific matter but one of freedom, largely stoked by social media posts and statements from conservative mouthpieces. So moving forward towards our last segment for today morning, so looks like meme coin Floki Inu has signed a sleeve sponsorship deal with Kerala Blasters FC, one of the top soccer clubs in India, and people are really looking forward to it. Floki's Twitter account announced yesterday that the coin has successfully secured an official partnership with the Indian soccer club Kerala Blasters. With the deal, Floki Inu's logo and website will be featured on Kerala Blasters kit sleeves in the new Indian Super League session. Established in 2013, ISL is India's top soccer division with 11 teams participating in the 2021-2022 season. The league is the fifth most popular in the world as it boasts over 130 million global fans. Kerala Blasters is one of the top clubs in the division, having finished as runner-ups twice in the championships so far. The deal, which goes into effect immediately, will also have Floki Inu's brand being LED displayed during home games at the team's 41k capacity stadium. The meme coin's aim with the partnership is to help the crypto go mainstream in India and tap into the huge market in the region. Floki Inu will also receive more global attention with the sponsorship due to the worldwide fan base of the soccer league. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.